Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a how-to tutorial and a review of the Wunderbrow one-step brow gel. What I currently have on my eyebrows right now. So I'm going to show you guys how I apply it, and then at the end I'm going to give a little review about the product. So this video is completely unsponsored, unpaid. I'm not partnered with Wunderbrow whatsoever. This is just my honest review of the product. So if you're interested in that, then just keep watching. So this is the box that it comes in. It comes with the gel that looks like this. When you open it up, it has sort of like a paintbrush on the inside. It also comes with this black little spoolie brush that I really don't use at all. Separately, you can purchase this two-sided brush. It comes with this little angled side that I use to apply the product, and then on the opposite side, there is a spoolie brush. So I tried to get as much product as I could off of my eyebrows so you could see like what they look like when they're not done. So I got most of it out, but yeah, for the most part, like this is what they look like. So I start by just brushing out my eyebrows, and then I'm going to take just a little bit of product and put it on my brush, and then start to lightly make short strokes on my eyebrows. Because it is liquid, I kind of like to let it dry a little bit and then go back over it in some spots. So that's why I kind of work in sections. Also, when the product is still wet, you can remove it. As you can see, I kind of like wipe a little bit off with my finger. But once it is dry, it's pretty much set. So you want to make sure that you do any adjustments or you wipe off what you need to before it completely dries. So I just continue to make light little strokes. And then when I get to the inner part of my eyebrow, I make small little vertical strokes going up and down. I think doing this just makes it look a little bit more natural to me, so that's what I do. And then I continue just to kind of fill it in to make it look more even and more full until I kind of get like the desired look that I want. And then I'm going to go ahead and move on to the other eyebrow and get that one all filled in. And this is the finished product. So now I'm just going to give you guys a little bit of a review about the product. So I've been using Wunderbrow for almost a year now. It is my go-to eyebrow product. I use it every single day. I love it. I really don't have anything bad to say about it. It works, it stays, it's true. Like it doesn't move. Like it's not coming off. I can go swimming, get in the shower, go to the beach, whatever, and it's not going anywhere. I can also sweat and it's not going to go anywhere, which is great. With other products that I've used, it would mostly start to go in here, and it would start to like kind of like come down if I was sweating, or like when my glasses would like hit it. And so it's just really nice, you know, if you have an itch, you know, you can like scratch your eyebrow. It's just nice for like an everyday person who likes to fill in their eyebrows, because it doesn't move and it stays, and you can sweat and you can, you know, do all these things. I'm definitely a fan. I use it every single day. it's just what I do. I've tried a bunch of different eyebrow products in the past, pencils, like markers, gels, all that stuff, and this one is by far my favorite. Obviously because it doesn't move, it doesn't smudge, it's sweat proof, waterproof, all that, but the product itself actually lasts me for a long time. I think in the year that I've been using it, I've gone through three. I'm on my fourth, I think. This new one is either my third or my fourth, so it lasts a long time, and it's also inexpensive. It's only $22 and you get the whole tube of the gel and then a little spoolie brush. So I think that's a good deal. 22 bucks, and it lasts me on average like 3 or 4 months. Like, that's a good deal. Like, I'll take that. So it's definitely lasted me the longest out of any product that I have used. That's a plus. I really don't have anything bad to say. So on the back of the package it says more defined brows that are smudge proof, transfer proof, and waterproof for up to 3 days. Mine doesn't necessarily last for days. I do have to touch it up in the mornings, but maybe for some people they don't. My eyebrows are just dark and I fill in a lot, so I have to touch them up every day, but I don't have to completely redo them every day. I wash my face twice a day, so obviously that takes away at it. And then when I sleep, I don't know what I do in my sleep, if I'm like rubbing my face on my pillow, but after I wake up, like around the tops and like here, you can see it's kind of like patchy, so I just touch it up. So that's not a big deal to me. I love it. I'm probably gonna be continuing to use this for, I don't know, until I probably get my eyebrows microbladed, which I want to do in the future. So yeah, this is like my go-to eyebrow product. I don't use anything else on my eyebrows. Yeah, it's great. So that is it for this video. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I plan on making more product reviews and how-tos in the future, so don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of them, and I will see you guys in the next one.